Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to get drywall joint compound off of your clothes. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we'll be using some water and a rag. First thing we want to do is take the rag and get all the excess mud off there that we can. If it's dry, that's fine, it'll break off. If it's not, just kind of smear it off there. Next, we're going to grab our water and saturate the area. That way, all this mud that's in your pants or your clothes will actually be pulled out into the water. Now, we'll just wipe the area and it should come right out. That's one nice thing about drywall joint compound, is it is dissolvable in water because it is just a mud. Comes out actually pretty easy. All you have to do after this is go ahead and throw it in your laundry, give it a quick wash, and then you shouldn't have any stains or anything left in your clothes from the drywall joint compound. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about how to remove drywall joint compound from your clothing. Thank you for watching, and good luck with this project.